Year 8, hope you had a really lovely week. It's been really nice to hear updates on how you've been doing with your sports day contributions. I'm going to pass you straight over to Miss Gillard and one of our Year 8 students that is currently in school. Miss Gillard?
Hello Year 8, it's really lovely to see some of you this week. Obviously I'm in school now with helping out with the mini school, and there's a few Year 8s and other year groups here for various reasons, and you're all doing so well. But obviously as I am in school, you can contact me either by email, or you and your parents can request a call and I can call you from school during school hours. I've got a young lady here who's been attending mini school, and I'm just going to let her talk to you for a few minutes just to see how mini school is, how differently it's working compared with our normal school that we're used to, and how things have changed, but hopefully things will go back to normal very shortly. So how have you found mini school?
Yes.
What's it like for children in classrooms, for example?
Well, we all have to stay 2 metres apart and let's sanitise our hands regularly and stuff. But it's quite fun.
Okay, and what about the staff who are here helping with the mini school?
Really nice.
Yeah, and you're wearing casual clothes, which is really nice, but obviously that will change hopefully when we're all back to normal. But I'd like to say, yeah, the children who are attending mini school has been fantastic. Their enthusiasm is great. They are adhering to all the government guidelines. It's very different for us here at the moment, but you can understand that the teachers are working behind the scenes to make it as clean, safe and comfortable as possible for when we do return. Thanks everyone. Once again, if you want to contact me, please do, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you to Miss Gillard and one of our Year 8 students. Hopefully put your mind at rest a little bit. School's still going on. It is a little bit different. That will gradually get more and more normal, ready for you guys to come back in September. So it's been quite nice to hear from the students that are in school at the minute. Just it makes things feel a little bit more normal to see that that's still going on. So I'm going to go over some of the forms for the previous 2 weeks, so the one for half term and the one for last week, just your answers to see how you've been getting on and share them with you. So to start with, I'm going to look at the form for after half term, discussing how your half term was. So overall we had an average 3.82 rating, so out of 5, 3.82 to having a really, really positive week. So that is good, but obviously still some people not having the best time, which obviously is expected, but we just want to make sure that we can do what we can to help you and make sure that we're, that you are telling us that you need support, and then we can give that to you. So do you feel like you were able to have a good rest during half term? Absolutely everyone said yes. One person said yes for some of it, but 60 other people said yes they did. So really good positive half terms for everyone. Anything nice that you'd like to share that you did really nice over half term? Someone's done some extra work over half term. Miss Lawson set and marked some extra work, so that's really good. We've got... Let's have a look. Anything positive that you did with your mental health over half term as well? Let's have a look. Miss Jackson. She's always on a computer ready to answer emails, ready to help people. So thank you to Miss Jackson as well. Let's have a look at the different things. So... did you feel like you were able to have a good rest over half term? I'm really happy that so many people were able to. So what did you do to help with your mental health? We've got being creative, exercise, cooking and baking, chatted with friends and family, chatted on Zoom calls as well. Anything nice over half term that you would like to share? Got someone went for a picnic by the river. That sounds really, really nice. Lots of exercise, so lots of people went on runs, lots of people went on walks. Some people went to meet up with their family, social distancing, so in a park, 2 meters apart. That sounds really nice. Someone had a creative art session. That sounds really positive as well. That sounds really fun. Really, really good. So also want to just go over to thank some teachers. I know I've done a few. I'm going to thank some more teachers. Well, you've thanked some more teachers, but I want to share that with them as well. So Mrs Wilson, she sends emails to check up and see how you're getting on. And she's had lots of praise from other teachers. We've got, someone said to thank you to all of them. Thank you to those who've been constantly working through the hard times to help us out. I'm forever grateful for the help you have given me and for providing me with support. So thank you to that student. My maths teacher, as she sent her mum a really lovely email. Miss Welsh, because she helped him with the maths homework. All the teachers, because they helped me when I'm stuck. Miss Braverman for sending me a certificate, well done. Mr Barth for helped me through how to work through Microsoft Teams. Loads and loads of thank yous, that's really nice. So anything that you've struggled with, absolutely everyone said no. So that's an example that we'll have hopefully in a routine a little bit more with our virtual online learning. So everyone said no, anything that you struggled with. So that's really positive. So I'm going to go over as well for the last survey, which was for the previous week before that. So how was your week? 4.16 rating. So it went up. So it seemed that you had a more positive week when you were at school, well, virtual learning, then half term. That's good. So 4.16 out of 5 for a positive week. Did you manage to get back on with your work? Okay. One person said no, but everyone else said yes. And then we had a few others, so yes for some of it as well, but only one person said no. So we made sure that we contacted that person. What piece of work are you most proud of? We've got maths work, science work, English work for Miss Jackson. We've got geography work. We've got most of the subjects there, so loads of work that we're all proud of this week. What did you do for your mental health? Taking a break from social media. Loads of people took a break from social media. I think that's a really positive thing. And overall, most people have contributed to Sports Day month, which is really good to hear. I heard that one student in particular has done a 3-kilometre run every single day. So that's pretty amazing, really. I'm just going to try to find those examples. Okay, so Sports Day month, other examples. Running most days and 2 miles some days. Every day, this person does a 5K. Someone's running today. Been on a lot of bike rides. Go running 3 times a week and been on a 6-mile bike ride. Someone's done FIFA as well. Bike rides every day, playing badminton and running. I ran 13 kilometres last week. That's amazing. And runs and cycling as well. So yeah, loads of people have been contributing to that. So that's really, really nice to hear. I can see on there that a few of you have struggled with how to submit that. Please make sure that you are email and we can help you one-on-one with that and support you with how to submit your Sports Day contributions. Okay, so I hope you have a really positive week. As Miss Gillard said, we are still here. Miss Gillard is in school every day and I'm in school some days, but either way you can request a call for any time really during the day, or you can email us and we can hopefully support you either with your work or, as always, anything emotional that can help you as well. Please make sure that you do contact us though. I'm now just going to send an email out to all of you just so you can respond if you need any support with submitting the Sports Day contributions, okay? Have a really lovely week. Only 5 weeks to go until you are in year 9. So well done everybody, and I'll see you soon.